Unlock the secret to skyrocketing your business growth with AroundDeal, the game-changing tool that centralizes your sales activities and provides real-time data insights. Imagine having all your sales data synchronized across platforms, eliminating data duplication and ensuring a single source of truth for your customer information. With AroundDeal's advanced lead generation capabilities, finding and qualifying leads has never been easier, saving you valuable time and resources. Automate your email outreach with AroundDeal's powerful email automation tool, allowing you to create personalized and targeted email campaigns effortlessly. Integrating AroundDeal into your existing systems is a breeze, ensuring a seamless transition and immediate access to its powerful features. AroundDeal excels in B2B lead generation, providing detailed company information to help you prioritize and focus on high-potential leads. Maximize your sales opportunities with AroundDeal's centralized platform, ensuring no opportunity falls through the cracks and enabling proactive sales management. Leverage AroundDeal for networking and partnerships, connecting with key players in your industry and establishing valuable relationships for growth. Explore the free B2B contact and company info offered by AroundDeal, gaining valuable insights and making informed business decisions without any cost. Experience the transformative power of AroundDeal today and watch your business thrive like never before. Start your free trial now.